Hello everyone, it's Karen with your shop tip of the week. This week I'd like to talk to you about the Giraffe Tools power washer, pressure washer. It is 2200 PSI and you can just hook it up to any 120 volt electric outlet, which makes it super convenient and very easy to use. I mean, it has a retractable hose. This thing has really been used in this shop. If you need something that's not going to just blow the paint off of a vehicle, this is a good, in my opinion, this is a good product. We use it here and it was one of the best purchases we made. It's tucked up out of the way. You just pull the cord, whatever length you need, and then you can use the power washer, and then when you're done, you just pull on it and it slides right back up and puts it right back in its place. It also comes with different tips that you can change and makes the water pressure a little different. This right here thing, this is a power soap washer. Let me tell you, this will really put the soap out with this power washer. And if you're looking for a lot higher powered, I do believe they sell some, but we just weren't interested in one that was any higher than that for what we needed for here in our shop. And anyway, that's your shop tip of the week. Thank you all for watching.